Today, we're going to dive into the benefits of coffee. Now, as a nutritionist, I often get questions from my patients about whether they need to give up coffee when dealing with health concerns like cancer or other diseases. The good news is that coffee can be a part of a healthy diet, and there's a growing body of evidence to support this idea. According to Frank Hugh, the chair of Department of Nutrition at Harvard T.H. Chan School, the overall evidence has been pretty convincing that coffee has been more helpful than harmful in terms of health outcomes. This was mentioned in an article published on April 5th, 2021 in Discover. For most, not only can coffee be a part of a healthy diet, but you can also enhance its potential benefits by adding ingredients like cinnamon and cacao to your coffee. These additions have been shown to have positive impacts on blood sugar and heart health. Additionally, combining coffee and cinnamon provides a synergistic effect of antioxidants, which can help protect yourself from free radical damage. Now, here are my top 10 benefits of coffee. Coffee can help with weight loss by increasing your metabolism and aiding in fat burning. Coffee has been associated with a reduced risk of depression, possibly due to its mood enhancing effects. Coffee contains several essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals like riboflavin, pantothenic acid, manganese, potassium, and chlorogenic acid, which are a group of polyphenols present in coffee that have antioxidant effects shown to help reduce inflammation. Now, coffee can act as a mild pain reliever and may help alleviate headaches and muscle pain. Coffee is a source of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Moderate coffee consumption has been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Coffee consumption may decrease the risk of Alzheimer's disease and heart disease. Coffee may help in preventing the development of Parkinson's disease as well. Coffee has antioxidants, and they have been shown to benefit the liver and the kidneys, potentially protecting these organs. But if you're like me and are concerned about the rapid absorption of caffeine, you can slow it down by adding healthy fats like full fat cream to your coffee. This can prolong the effects of caffeine and reduce the risk of potential side effects like jitters or crashes. It's important to note that the FDA recommends drinking no more than 4 to 5 cups of coffee per day, so moderation is key. The type of coffee roast you choose can also impact its health benefits. Dark roast coffee, for instance, has been found to decrease DNA strand breakage, which can be a natural occurrence but may lead to health issues if not repaired by your cells. Dark roast coffee has lower acidity, which can be gentler on your stomach. While coffee's natural acidity is not an issue for most coffee lovers, it can be problematic for individuals with conditions like acid reflux or irritable bowel syndrome. However, there are ways to reduce coffee acidity. One method I use is a cold brew coffee, which tends to be less acidic. In summary, coffee can be a part of a healthy diet, and by enhancing it with ingredients like cinnamon and cacao, you can potentially boost its benefits for blood sugar and heart health. Additionally, selecting a dark roast and exploring methods to reduce acidity can make your coffee experience even more enjoyable and health conscious. Remember to consume coffee in moderation as recommended by health authorities. However, it's important to note that individual responses to coffee can vary, and it's recommended to consume it in moderation. Also, be cautious with adding fake creamers or sugar, which can negate some of the health benefits. Pregnant women and individuals with anxiety disorders should be mindful of their coffee consumption, and it's advisable to consult a healthcare practitioner for personalized advice. Now, if you find this information valuable and seek to explore more facets of nutrition and health, I extend an invitation to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There, you'll discover an abundance of educational videos, mouth-watering recipes, and pragmatic tips to propel you toward a healthier lifestyle. Now, for daily inspiration, expert guidance, and the opportunity to connect with like minded individuals, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Together, we can elevate our commitment to health. Now, let's raise our cup of coffee and its incredible benefits. Have a great day.